Hello everyone. In this video I want to show how we can use Excel to create histograms. Now the built-in histogram builder inside of Excel actually isn't the greatest, but the one that comes with our add-on, that Real Stats package, is actually really good. So that's the one that we're going to use. So first we're going to just go ahead and click on data, and then let's go ahead and copy our data right there. And let's paste it in to Excel. So go ahead and go to Paste Special, go to Text, and click OK. All right, now we have our number of children. And here's what we want to do. From here, we can select our data, and there's a lot of it. There's like over 1,000 data points. And now we're going to go ahead and click, we're going to click, oh darn it, I did not do that right. We're going to do Control M to get our stats package to pop up, and we're going to click histogram with normal curve overlay and go ahead and click OK. Now we can put in our input range right here, and we can click where we want the output to go. And for this one, I'm going to leave the bin options alone. These are super useful in just a little bit. We could do, we can make this like a line chart, I think, or we can do a curve. We're going to leave it at histogram because that's really what we want. And let's go ahead and click OK. Now, for whatever reason, this error thing pops up, but if you click OK, it's totally fine. So if we click OK, we get the item from 0 to 7. That's what we get. And we get our frequencies, and we get our probabilities. So this is even better than using that frequency equation. It's even better because it pops out the probabilities for you too. So super handy. And it pops out a histogram for you. Now let's say that we wanted to, instead of having each of these be a bin of size 1, we can make them a bin of size 2. So check out this. Let's do this again. We're going to select our data. I'm going to scroll back up. And I'm going to do Control M again. Grab the histogram with the table. Click OK. The bin size that I want it to be bin size of 2. I'm going to put an output range right there and click OK. It says there's an error. There isn't. And I'll check this out. So now instead, it's going from 0 to 1, and then it's 2 and 3 here. And then we have this one right here, which is 4 and 5, and then 6 and 7. And if we add them all up, they should be the correct add. So it does 147 plus this 334, which gives us 481. It did it nicely. So this is a really good way, probably even a better way than our frequency one that we did earlier, of getting a frequency table and producing a histogram. Okay, so if we say what type of data this is numerical discrete. If we grab the histogram that this most likely looks like, it is this guy right here from 0 all the way up. And the table that's most appropriate, we need to go through and pick the correct one. The problem with this one is that the number of children isn't ascending, and we want it ascending so that things like cumulative frequency and cumulative relative frequency actually make sense. Okay, that's it. That's how we can do histograms using Excel.